Yeah, going for the third one. I only have one shout anyway, so
Yeah.
no point.
No point.
If someone took my twigs.
That was actually a pretty common problem when I was in elementary school, since we had our, lunch break. We would usually get only like sandwiches, and we would have to eat it in the courtyard. And there was always like 20 to 30 seagulls just flying around us. And sometimes they would get brave and try to steal stuff. Some seagulls
Oh.
got punched. There were some very hungry kids that didn't want to get their, sandwiches taken.
So you actually really had to fight for your
Yep.
lunch.
It was like a battle to death, for a sandwich. Kids versus seagulls.
Seagulls of the mighty sea. And only one on creations, kids, who don't want to give away their lunch. Fight!